Today we're pitting the new Insta360 X5 against the professional veteran, the Ricoh Theta Z1. When it comes to power, the X5 is a workhorse. It features a removable 2,400 mAh battery and supports external USB-C power packs for all-day shooting. The Theta Z1, however, relies on an internal battery, which can be a major bottleneck during long professional virtual tour shoots. Durability is another huge win for the X5. With its revolutionary user-replaceable lens kit, a scratch is just a quick, affordable fix away. But with the Theta Z1, a scratched lens usually means you have to replace the entire camera, often costing nearly as much as a new unit. While the Z1's 1-inch sensors are legendary for stills, the X5's 8K resolution and AI processing bring it right up to speed for modern workflows. For most creators, the X5's versatility and repairability make it the smarter, long-term investment. Which one would you choose?